Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today, I would like to present you about our entrepreneurship project, which is pressure cooker. Before we start our presentation, I would like to introduce my team. First is me, Muhammad Imam Syahmi bin Ahmad Razi. Second, Muhammad Adib Nu'man bin Syafri. Third is Muhammad Amir Imran bin Azman. Lastly is Daniel Alif bin Idris. First component of need is what key need will you meet. First is faster cooking. According to Gay-Lussac law, when the pressure increase, the temperature also increase. As a result, this elevate temperature allow for faster cooking time. Second is energy efficiency. By shortening cooking times, pressure cooker require less energy overall. This translate to reduce cooking costs and contribute to environmental sustainability. Third is quality sealing rubber. This ensures that steam generated during cooking is trapped inside the pot, creating the high pressure environment that defines pressure cooking. Lastly, enhanced flavor retention. This ensures that steam generated during cooking is trapped inside the pot, creating the high pressure environment that defines pressure cooking. Second component of need is who's cleaning, specifically chef. In a restaurant time of the essence, pressure cooker significantly reduce cooking time compared to traditional methods. This allows chefs to prepare dish quickly, especially for ingredients that typically require long cooking times. Pressure cooker provide a controlled cooking environment, leading to more consistent result. Chef can achieve precise cooking temperature and time, ensuring that dishes turn out constantly well cooked every time.
We will see what happens if that needs not met. First, the time for cooking is long. This is because the pressure cooker needs a short time to cook something it- because it is using a pressure and we don't doesn't need to wait for a long time. Next, it cannot cook it perfectly. This is because sometimes we cook meat or anything, the inside of the food is not cooked it perfectly. So when we use the pressure cooker, the inside of the food will be cooked too. Next, the third one is percentage of obesity increase. This is because if we using a pressure cooker, we don't need use um, oil to fry something like chicken or anything else. And if we using a oil, then it will consume people to be obesity because they will having a lot of fat or not healthy food. The last one is the cost of the cooking increase. This is because when we use a pressure cooker, we don't need to add oil or anything else. If we don't have it, we must to buy oil and another things to make the food taste delicious and uh, it can be eat. That's all.
Okay, next. How big is the problem for user or customers? Okay, here we have five problems. The first one is steam leaks. Uh, if this happen, to fix this loss of steam, we first try cleaning the gasket thoroughly. Okay, and the second one is pressure not building up. If pressure not building up, it may be causes due to the improperly closed and source in the pressure too thick. So we need to properly close the pressure cooker. And the third one is burning food. It means that it release the pressure quickly. Then we need to check for malfunctions and add more liquid if needed, scraping the bottom. The fourth one is difficulty opening the lid. Okay, if this happen, you need to try immersing the pressure cooker in warm water in such a way that the water comes into contact with the seal to loosen it. The last one is safety concern. For safety concern, before cooking, ensure the gasket is clean and is not cracked or dried out.
Okay, next we will move to how often do people experience this problem and when. First problem that we get is steam trapped in the vine pipe. Pressure cooker with manual pressure regulator have vent pipe to release steam and pressure during and after cooking. If the vent pipe is blocked, inspect it when the cooker is not used. Clear any obstruction like the food particle and ensure proper functionality. The second problem is stain from the material deposit in your pressure cooker. These stains are usually the result of reaction between material deposit and residue from fat and oil or the type of soap that we use to wash the pressure cooker after we use it. The next problem that we got is discoloration of aluminum pressure cooker on exposure to alkali. You may be wondering why your aluminum pressure cooker looking different. If they are stained like political on the surface, your aluminum pressure is exposed to alkali-rich product such as soda used that we use to wash our pressure cooker.
Okay, next. For the next question is component of approach. What is your unique approach to meeting this need? Okay, here we have 4 points. The first one is stainless steel. For stainless steel, this is non-reactive to acidic and salty food items, making cookers made of stainless steel a healthier choice because it's durable. And the second point is reasonable price. We will put a reasonable price for our product, pressure cooker, due to the current market and fulfill buyers' ability in order to help people on having this best product. The third point is portable. This pressure cooker is portable product, which is you can bring it everywhere and anywhere. And the last point is quality construction. In this making of pressure cooker, we use a quality construction to make our product the best.
Okay, so next question is what is your solution broadly? So first we go to the first point, which is find a partnership or collaborators. Okay, so for this point, for example, we can make our product have collaboration with famous brand to make it more recognizable, or we can also ask our influencer to explain about the product in the unique way to their follower. So that is for first point. So for the second point is marketing for targeted audience on social media. Okay, so in this point we can introduce the product in social media such as Instagram, TikTok and Twitter. By this marketing strategy, others can see how functional and unique our product works. So for the third point is make a booth at a central location, such as we can make it at a huge mall. So from this idea, we can attract the audience by showing the functional and benefit of our product. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so next we go to the do you have any technical issue to solve? Okay, so for the technical issue, first from the slide we can see the use of electricity requires a plug to use a pressure cooker, and it is also use more energy of electric. So for the how to solve is provide a pressure cooker with a built-in battery that can be charged and reduce energy consumption. So second, for the technical issue is some models are not compatible with 110 volt and 220 volt and may require a converter if you want to travel with it. making it more expensive and also inconvenient for the user. So for the how to solve is change it to a solar pressure cooker that saves energy and it is travel friendly, and at the same time can make it easier for the user. So the last technical issue is does not have division and the part and the pressure cooker and cause it to be unable to cook various type of food at one time. So for the how to solve is make several parts in the pressure cooker to make it easier for user to cook different type of food at one time. So that's all from me. Thank you.